Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get your Discord token. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is go to your browser and open discord.com. Click on Open Discord, make sure you do have your account, log into your account, and you will see this type of interface. Now, what you need to do is right-click on the screen. So you can see the right-click option. Go ahead and right-click on the screen and click on Inspect. After that, click on Application. Then go to Local Storage. So first of all, you must go to Application, then go to Local Storage. After you open Local Storage, click on Discord, and you can see this toggle emulator. Go ahead and click on it, and after that, you can go to the search bar and search for token. So this is your token. Just go ahead and copy this. Make sure it is not being shared to others because this is really private and should not be shared. So after you copy this, you can paste it, and there you go. This is how you can check your token. Right click on the screen. After you right click on the screen, you can click on Inspect Element, or you can just go ahead and click on this over here and inspect the screen. If this doesn't work, just go ahead and right click from time to time, click on Inspect, and go to Application, which is over here. Then go to Local Storage, and after you open Local Storage, you must click on this icon over here. After you do this, Discord will open up. Now what you need to do is click on Discord and go to the filter to search for token. After you search for token, this is your token, which is being written here, the keys token. Just go ahead and copy this code, or the code is over here as well. You can copy this and you can use it for further uses. So guys, this is how you can access your token on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.